Halo guys, kembali lagi bersama gua Zriro. Kali ini gua bakal bermain Nate Hand Gesture. Gak belum tahu apa gamenya, but ini adalah salah satu game yang lagi viral ya, walaupun masih demo guys. Dan ini adalah buatan orang Indo, yaitu namanya tuh Gilang Cumi Art. Tanpa basa-basi lagi, kita langsung main lah ya. Pertama gue mau cek dulu bahasanya. Mungkin gue pakai bahasa Inggris aja deh. Tung 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 sahur. Bahasa tung 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 sahur. What the hell? Kayak kita bahasa Inggris aja. Kita langsung play. You return from a long day at work. Lu baru balik dari kerja yang panjang. Your whole body feels incredibly weary and exhausted. Tubuh lu kecapean akibat dari kerja panjang tadi. For some reason, the elevator ride feels incredibly long today. It feels like you've been inside for hours. Perasaan. Kok lama gini gitu kan naik elevatornya, naik liftnya kok lama gini gitu. Seakan-akan kayak udah beberapa jam gitu di dalam. Maybe all of that is just in your head because of exhaustion. Atau mungkin pikiran ini cuman sekedar karena capek aja lah. Jadi mikir yang enggak gitu kan. Finally, the elevator opens, but you don't recognize this floor. In fact, you didn't think this floor even exists in the apartment building. Elevatornya udah kebuka, cuman si MC atau kita gitu kan rasa, ini mah lantai berapa nih? Kok baru lihat gitu? There is a woman there. Maybe she wants to take the elevator too. Oke, ada dua pilihan guys. Press the elevator button or wait for the woman to enter. Kita capek dan pengen istirahat, pengen cepat dulu ke kamar kita, ke apartemen kita. Kita harus bisa. Cuman, karena gue mencoba polite ya, karena ada mbak yang mulai juga. Kita pilih yang awal aja. Wait for the woman to enter. Oke, dapat 10 mood tuh guys. Tambahan 10 mood tadi di atas kanan ya. You wait for the woman to get into the elevator. Thank you, sweetie. It's rare for me to find a human being who is still polite and sweet like you. Sweetnya kok dipakai tanda kutip ya? Kenapa ya? Okay, next. A human being, a slightly unusual choice of words, right? Bingung gitu kan CMC. Human being kayak something wrong gitu, ada yang aneh. Si cewek ini tuh aneh kayaknya. She's black, not just dark skin. She's fucking Fanta black. Even with the elevator lights on, all you see of her is a pair of unblinking eyes looking at you. Dia tuh hitam banget guys. Bukan karena kulitnya hitam, literally dia tuh hitam. Walaupun ada cahaya di lift ini guys, yang atau MC lihat itu cuman satu pasang mata yang tidak berkedip gitu, melihat si MC itu, menatap si MC itu. How about coming over to my apartment for a cup of tea? Of course, you refuse, especially because your mother always wants you to be careful with strangers, particularly in unsettling ones. Oh, sweetie, this is not a request.
Takutnya.
Damn. You are coming with me right now, or do you want to experience all the experiments from Unit 731? Ya oke lah guys, it is what it is lah ya. Gua nggak bisa nolak juga, karena kalau gua nolak ya mungkin mati gitu kan ya. So kita setuju aja lah dan ikut si cewek ini, si Mbak ini ke apartemennya. Sure, let's go, kita masuk. That's what I call a good boy.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Let's go guys. Kita dipanggil good boy sama si kakak ini ya, Mbak ini. Me, guys. Okay. The elevator doors open and lead straight into a room. Once again, you don't recognize this place, and though it's even part of the apartment building. Okay, why are you so sure? Because you once snuck into every single room in this apartment, especially the ladies' room with your friend Jerome. Oke, jadi si MC kita kali ini ya guys ya, dia tuh pervert gitu. Dia sering menyelinap gitu ke setiap ruangan di apartemen ini gitu. Terlebih lagi ruangan yang ditinggali oleh para perempuan gitu kan. Dengan temannya yaitu Jerome. Dasar pervert nih. Jerome Pauline kah? Oke, next. Just make yourself at home, sweetie, while I make us some tea. Okay. She brings a tray containing 2 cups of tea and some biscuits. You force yourself to drink the tea. It tastes strange. It tastes like ink with a sweet hint of mango, and a texture like motor oil. Okay. Strange guys, rasanya aneh gitu. Okay. Ada pilihan what kind of tea is this? Okay. Apa nih? My body fluids. Oh my god. Infokan tempat jualan cairan tubuh si Mbak ini. Aku mau 100. Well, how about a game to fill our free time? And what if we add a little bet? You know, every game is 1,000 times more interesting when there is an element of gambling. Okay, so do you have any ideas for a game we could play? Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, ganti kertas batu. A pretty simple game. That might be a good idea. So for the rules, how about every time you win 3 times, you can ask for 1 thing. And every time you lose 2 times, I will eat one of your organs. Terlalu ini ya guys ya, weird gitu. Okay, but yeah, don't worry, you can get your organs back if you win. Just consider it a bonus every 3 wins. Okay, sounds fun, right? So let's get started. Ayo kita mulai guys. Oke, kita langsung ke ininya ya, ke permainannya ya. Permainannya itu adalah gunting kertas batu, yang dimana kita harus menang sebanyak 3 kali ya, untuk mendapatkan satu one thing gitu. Kita nggak tahu apa itu thing yang dia maksud, cuman ya kita harus menang lah 3 kali. Cuman kalau kita kalah sebanyak 2 kali, itu dia akan memakan bagian tubuh kita. So kita langsung login aja guys, karena ini first game juga. Gue pengen dapat bad ending, happy ending di first walkthrough gue, first playthrough gue. Oke. Choice. Oke, kita first cek ombak dulu. Kita langsung pakai kertas aja dulu deh. Oke, win, hoki. Let's go. Okay, next. Kita mungkin gue bakal ambil batu kayaknya. Oke, lagi mantap. Kalau gitu berarti kalau kita ambil gunting, harusnya kita menang karena ngikutin dari apa namanya tuh, istilahnya mah teori struktural gitu. Jadi 1, 2, 3 gitu. Kita coba ya, langsung kita gunting dan menang. Benar. Tadinya jalan. Kita langsung menang 3 kali berturut-turut. Wow, you managed to win 3 times. Okay. So, what's your first request? Please, can you let me go? Yang pertama, guys. Yang kedua, can I see your feet? What the hell? Don't wait, okay? Yang ketiga, tell me about yourself. Oke. Kalau dari 3 pilihan ini, yang pertama itu dia lebih ke tolonglah lepaskan aku gitu kan. Cuman kalau kita tadi lihat karakteristik si Mbak ini, dia tuh kayak let's say kidnap kita lah. Jadi kalau kita berresonansi, bernegosiasi dia lepaskan kita, kayaknya itu gak bakal mungkin. Lalu yang kedua, can I see your feet? Oke, nggak ada hal baik yang didapatkan, nggak ada hal buruk juga. Buat ya ini netral sebenarnya. Aneh banget ya pilihannya. Damn. Oke, yang ketiga ini tell me about yourselves. Oke, kalau kita tahu gitu kan, beberapa game ketika temanya adalah ini kita sebut yandere aja lah ya. Kalau kita milih pilihan yang dimana kita itu ingin mengetahui tentang si cewek ini gitu kan, cewek yandere kita, nantinya dia bakal merasa senang. Oke, jadi kita akan pilih yang bawah karena itu adalah pilihan logik. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Oh, tiba-tiba ke tengah guys. Kenapa itu? Mouse gua ngebug aja guys. She shows you very very dark feet, so dark that you can't even see the curves of her toes. You feel a little disappointed. Agak sedih cina, karena yang dia lihat tuh cuman kaki hitam. Harapan. You never thought there could be something this dark. So far, you still think your friend Jerome is the darkest thing you know. Oke. Kepecet guys. Rugi banget. If you're satisfied, let's continue playing. Oke. Kita main lagi. Tentu objektif kita adalah untuk menang lagi sebanyak 3 kali. Kalau kita pakai teori tadi, kita harusnya pilih ini sekarang. Cuman gue nggak percaya, so let's try batu. Damn. Kalah. Oke. Batu harusnya kertas, gunting. Draw. Oke. Draw. Oke, kalau gue kalah sekali lagi, dia akan makan organ kita, salah satu bagian tubuh kita guys. So kita harus hati-hati tetap. Let's try mungkin kertas ya guys. Oke, menang. Nice. 4 win 4 lose 1. Next kita mungkin coba gunting. Oke, menang lagi. Nice choice. Oke, maybe the last one. Ini penentuan menang atau kalahnya akan membuat kita mendapatkan sebuah hal ya, mau itu apa ada ataupun kehilangan. Oke, let's try mungkin batu. Oke, win. Let's go. Kita menang. Dan you win again 3 times. Oke, what do you ask for? Can I sleep on your lap? Ask her why she locked you up and forced you to play. Pilihan yang sulit ya guys ya. Sangat sulit. Ya mungkin kita akan pilih bawah aja lah ya. Oke. What the hell guys? Kenapa ini? Kenapa tiba-tiba ke atas guys? Cursor gue tiba-tiba ke atas. Apakah dikuasai oleh si mbak dan atau kakaknya ini nih? Jadi kita itu terpaksa untuk memilih bagian yang atas. We don't know.
Oh, that's hot.
So comfortable that you fall asleep for 30 minutes until she wakes you up to continue playing. Saking nyamannya tidur di pangkuan dia guys, kita sampai ketiduran selama 30 menit. Nah, dia bangunkan kita lah untuk main lagi. Wake up sweetie. Oke, kita langsung lanjut lagi guys. Kita harus menang 3 lagi So we got another gift. Let's say. Okay, maybe gue bakal ambil gunting. Oke, draw. Oke, batu draw lagi. Oke, gue pikir mungkin dia akan pilih ini. So let's choose the gunting. Oke, bener. Teori yang sangat easy ya. Oke, karena dia balik dari gunting, di antara dia pasti pilih ini ataupun balik lagi ke ini. So let's take ini. Oke, nice. Let's go. Last one, menang atau kalah itu tergantung guys, ada konsekuensinya. Let's choose Oke, win. Kita menang lagi 3 kali guys. You won 3 times. This time I will make it clear to you that you are not allowed to ask to leave. What is your quest? Watch a movie together. I want a perfect body and face too. Ask to get some fresh air outside first. 3 pilihan yang ya sama-sama not bad lah ya. Cuman kalau yang 3 ini udah pasti marah dia, karena kan tadi dia udah memastikan bahwasanya kita nggak bakal dilepasin, nggak bakal dikasih escape lah ya. So mungkin pilihan yang sangat logik untuk bertahan hidup, kita ambil yang paling atas. So let's watch a movie together. Dan pilihannya naikin buat 10. Oh, like a date at home? Sure, sweetie. You watch a few movies with her and takes the opportunity to ask about a few things, including her family.
Ya Tuhan, sebelum kau panggil aku, berilah kesempatan kepada aku untuk memberi makan seluruh anak Indonesia.
Family? I have a lot of fathers and mothers, maybe around 300 people. Really? I have a mother and a younger sister. She looks jealous or more like annoyed. That's great, sweetie. Ah, look, our last movie is done. So let's continue our game. Oke. Next, kita ambil lagi. Mungkin gua akan choose the scissor. Oke, win. Nice. Next, kita akan pilih the kertas. Oke, benar juga. Teorinya udah ketahuan ya guys ya. Dan kita akan pilih batu. Oke, menang. Easy win. How lucky you are to win 12 times. I honestly really enjoy our time together. Me too, Kak. Me too. So, what is your last request? Please let me go home. Gak ada pilihan lain, guys. Dan mungkin ini pilihan yang buat dia marah lah ya, karena kan tadi dia udah bilang gak bakal lepasin kita, gak bakal membiarkan kita pergi gitu. So, gak ada pilihan lain. Let's choose this. Home. Now, this is your home. No, yang aku maksud itu adalah kembali aku untuk melihat ibu dan adikku. I am your mother, babe. Oh my god, kelihatan tuh wujud aslinya tuh. Okay, I am everything, everything, everything you have. You don't need those old things. Ada 2 pilihan guys, oke? Okay? Yang pertama itu yes, mommy gugu gaga. Dan yang kedua itu please let me go home. Oke. Okay. Mungkin ini tuh seperti memilih 100 orang yang kita kenal dan kita sayangi, atau 1 orang musuh kita guys. Ini adalah pilihan yang seperti itu.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, of course, gue akan memilih pilihan yang obvious gitu. Dan kalian pasti tahu. Yes, mommy gugu gaga. Let's go. Oh, that's it. That's how a good boy should act. Come here, come to mommy. Me. Let's go. Wow, kita dapat ending guys. Ending itu adalah mommy's favorite. Kita sebut ini happy ending. You live a life pampered by your new mommy happy ending. However, for some reasons, in this ending, Indonesia collapsed because its currency value plummets drastically. Oke. First playthrough kita dapat langsung happy ending guys. Itu jadi mommy's favorite. Dan ya, that's absolute happy ending. No one can tell me otherwise, oke? Ini seperti tadi biasa, bla bla bla. Nah, kita langsung akan pilih yang atas, guys. Oke, dapat minus 15 moods. Oke, apa yang akan ini? Nembus. Si kakaknya itu nembus. You know, it's rude to close an elevator door in front of a lady. You've never seen someone that black, incredibly intensely black. Even dark-skinned people would be embarrassed to call themselves black after seeing her. Okay, that woman somehow managed to get into the elevator using some kind of supernatural shit. Your legs are cramping and your mouth feels shoots out, leaving you unable to utter a single word. And ignoring someone who is speaking to you is even more impolite. A naughty boy like you really needs to be punished so that you will understand how to behave in front of a woman. Dipunish kita guys, dihukum. She pulls you in and the last thing you see is darkness slowly enveloping you. Welcome to my correction room, you naughty brat. Well, good learning is achieved through games. Let's play a simple game you humans call it rock, paper, and scissors. The rule is simple. If you win 3 times, you're free to ask for anything. But if you lose 2 times, I will eat one of your organs. Don't worry, you can ask it for it back. That is, if you win. Oke? Ada 3 pilihan ya guys ya. Oke, madam. Yang kedua, fuck this shit, I kill myself. Yang ketiga, whatever they say. Oke. Kalau kita pilih satu, dipastikan kita akan dapat istilahnya mah her favor, ya. Dia akan senang ke kita karena kayaknya dia tipikal yang ingin kita itu untuk nurut lah ke dia. Yang kedua, fuck this shit, I kill myself. Ini mungkin bad ya, buruk bagi dia mungkin. And whatever you say udah dipastikan itu dia pasti marah. So karena kita main aman juga dan cari ending lain, kita pilih yang satu. Look at that, the learning process has already start to take effect. Oke, kita langsung main lagi guys. Oke, mungkin kita coba kalahin aja ya 3 kali. Oke, draw. Kita coba kalahin 3 kali. Maksudnya kalahin terus. Oke, nice. Dimakan ya guys ya, kelingking kita. Oke, fingers dulu. Menang, oke. Draw. Kalah. Oh, menang guys. Oh fuck, lalu ngasal. Ya mungkin sekalian naik cari juga yang lain. Kita mungkin pilih yang satu ya. Can you let me go? Okay, minus 10 mood. Sorry sweetie, you can ask for that. How about being a good boy and asking for something else instead? Everyone akan fold ketika mendengarkan ini gitu kan. Dari some mommy's type shit seperti ini ya. Oke, pilihan satu dipastikan ditolak gitu kan ya oleh dia. So kita langsung pilih yang ketiga aja. Well, okay, about me, you know, my organs in human are the brain and the heart. Because when I eat them, I can feel what humans call emotion: fear, happiness, sadness, anger, and lust. Okay, that feelings is so intoxicating to me. Compared to you humans, it's just like meth. Okay, let's move on the next round. Okay, kita lakukan aja. Okay, dimakan lagi guys. Ibu dari kita dimakan. Too bad this is your last pita. You know I'm getting bored of eating your fingers one by one, so I just go straight into the main menu. I still have fingers on my left. Fingers? Sweetie, I am so bored with fingers. Let's start with the bottom. My God. 2 hands grabs your legs and flip you upside down. As you look up, all you can see is her devouring your entire body. kita dapat di ending nih. She left you after consuming all your D and the balls too. Now you are dehless.
No! 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 Fuck! Shit!
Lain. Oke, sama seperti tadi, bla 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 bla. Ini aja. Oke. Nah, mungkin kita akan pilih ini ya. Run when the elevator doors open. When the elevator doors open, without further ado, you immediately run out as fast as you can. Lari secepat mungkin. But in front of you there is only darkness, and in the end you fall and fall and fall. Oke, ini langsung endingnya guys ya. That ending kedua. You keep failing from that endless area. You have been failing for an unknown amount of time, and slowly your eyes are losing their function because they haven't received any likes for a very long time. Oke, ini kayaknya kematian tak berujung, kayak si Diavolo ya guys. Oke. Enggak, masih ada kayaknya. Sama seperti tadi mungkin ya, kita tunggu. Kita coba pilihan yang kedua guys. Still refuse, say you have biology homework to do. No, I know at least you are as boring as the rest of them. Okay? But you still have one function left. Oh, ini langsung dead ending satu guys. The mysterious woman takes out many hands from her body and starts breaking every single one of your bones. And she makes sure you don't die to witness every single one of your body parts being devoured by her. Oke, pinta heal aja ya guys ya. Karena tadi jari kita udah dimakan satu. Oh, you want your fingers back? Oh, sorry sweetie, give me your hand. She takes your hand and puts it into her mouth. Or rather, you aren't sure because a whole resembling emoji just appeared on her face. Oh my god guys, what the heck?
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Nanti bahas si 4 ending yang sudah kita dapatkan. Kita next lagi, lanjut. Oke, kita ambil tengah aja guys. What is your definition of perfect? What is perfection? Why do you think the current you is not perfect? There must be someone right now who thinks you are perfect. So you were perfect all along.
I like it in here. For the first time in a long time, I feel like I'm right where I'm supposed to be.
Type shit. Just give me looks sexy with a deep and sexy face. Damn. Okay. Draw. Fuck. Kita menang lagi. How lucky you are to win 12 times. I honestly really enjoy our time together. So, what is your last request? Please let me go home. Home? No, this is your home. No, I want to go back to see my mother and my sister. I am your mother. I am your mommy. I am your sister. I am everything you have. You don't need those all things. Oke guys, kalau tadi kita awal pilih yang pertama, sekarang kita akan pilih yang kedua. Semoga ada ending baru ya guys ya. Fool, do you want to go home so badly? Then there will be nothing left of what you call home. Oke, itu ending bad juga, tapi itu final ending kayaknya guys. Thanks for completing this short Nate Hand gesture demo. Why is it short? Because it's called a short demo. Oke. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe serta komen di video ini. See you in another video. Bye bye.